Imagine reading a book and getting paid $100 to review that book. Yes, there are some sites that pay you to review the books, and the best part is that you can choose the books according to your preferences. Today, I will show you 5 websites where you can get paid to review books. And do not miss the third website on our list, because on that website you will get paid $5 per book if your review even gets rejected. So watch the video till the end to make the most money, and you do not need any skills for these. These sites will provide you with the books. You just have to read the book and give your opinion on that book, and you can make anywhere between $40 to $100 per book. Okay, so the first site on our list is kirkusreviews.com. This is a great website where you can earn money for reading books and writing reviews. You must have seen the Kirkus reviews on many books available on Amazon Kindle. You can see that Kirkus is a very respected and a popular website for its quality reviews. So this is completely legit website. They have not mentioned about the payment per book review on their site, but from my experience, you can get paid anywhere between $40 to $90. And the good thing is that if you hover your mouse over book reviews, you will find that you can choose the books according to your choice. There are different genres of books available. There are fiction, thriller, suspense, mystery, detective, romance, history, non-fiction, and many other genres of books. And you can choose the books from the View All option right here, and on the next page, select the genre you would like to go. For example, if you select business, Kirkus will show you all the books available in the business genre, which you can read and review to make money. Also, you can filter the search by subgenre and ratings, and if you hover your mouse over the magazine, you will find that they have their Kirkus Reviews magazines, and if your reviews get featured in this magazine, you will get a big exposure, and big exposure means big money. Now, the registration process on Kirkus is a complicated process, so I want your full attention for this part. I want you to type in the URL box kirkusreviews.com/careers and press enter on the keyboard. You will be taken down to this page. As you can see, you can become a book reviewer and work as a freelancer from anywhere in the world. You can review books online in English and Spanish language, and you will be given 2 weeks of time to read the book. And after that, you have to review the book in 350 words to apply for the book reviewer's job. You have to submit your resume with your writing samples, which can be a review of 350 words of any book you like, and list of reviewing specialities to Kirkus on the mail given over here. After that, they will review your samples, and once you get selected, you can start working with them and start making money. The second website on our list is readsite.com/discovery. Make sure you come to the right website. The dashboard of this site will look like this. As you can see, you can find here different genres to read, like fantasy, romance, science fiction, and other genres. Now, I want you to click on reviewers at the top of this website. From there, you will be taken to this page. You will be paid a little less on this site as compared to other websites, but this website will offer you a ton of new books to read for free. And if you click on the fact section over here, it will take you to the next page. Here you can see that you need to write 300 or more words per book review. But the good thing is that there are no quotas to review books. You can read and review books whenever you want. On this website, you will get paid through Stripe account. Stripe is one of the most popular payment processors, and from this link, you can check whether the Stripe is supported in your country or not. And if it is available in your country, you can head over to this page over here and click on apply to become a reviewer. Now you have to submit your email, your first name, your last name, create your password, and click on the continue button. Then you have to fill in some other simple information like short introduction, how many books you read per year, etc. After that, you have to submit your sample reviews with the site. Then once you get accepted, you can start making money reading books with this site. Now, the third website on our list is booklistonline.com. This is the dashboard of booklistonline.com. This site will pay you $5 per book you review, even if your review gets rejected by the author. Keep watching and I will show you. As you can see here, also you will find different genres of books to read, for example, adult, non-fiction, adult fiction, graphics, novels, and etc. To make money reading books on this site, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the site, and here under the About section, you have to click Write for Us. It will take you to the next page where you can find all the information related on how to work with booklistonline.com and how to get paid to read books while writing the reviews for books. While writing the reviews for booklistonline.com, we have to keep in mind that their audience is school and public library workers, and we have to plan our review content accordingly. The time for reading and reviewing the book will be different for each book, and you have to complete the task within the given deadline. Also, make sure you write your own content and don't copy it from somewhere else. As you can see here, Booklist pays $15 for each review, and even if your review gets rejected, you will get paid $5 per book review. And if you got some value in this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel with the notification. Now let's get back to the video. They will also guide you through the process of styling and writing on booklistonline.com. So you don't need to worry about this. If you want to read the reviews written by the freelancers working with the booklistonline.com, you can see their reviews from the reviewers option on the bottom of the site. Here you can read the unlimited review. This will help you to get better understanding of the work on booklistonline.com. And to register yourself on this site, you have to send an email to this mail over here on the right to us page with your resume and a sample review of any book you like. Now, our fourth website is usreview.com. This is one of the best non-book review websites, although they have not mentioned the amount they pay per book review, but according to my experience, they pay anywhere between $15 to $60 per book. Here also you will find different books to read and review to make money online, and to register yourself on the usreview.com, you have to come over to this URL, the usreview.com. You will be taken to this page. Here you will find all the information related to book reviewers' work. As you can see, you have to write 250 to 300 words per book. They want you to be factual and unemotional in your reviews. And to take the idea of their reviewing style, you can click this highlighted review examples. This will take you to the next page, where you can choose the book reviews you want to read and take an idea of writing styles on the site. To register yourself on the site, you have to send your resume with some sample review of books on this mail mentioned over here. And now, the fifth and the last website on our list is onlinebookclub.org. This is the most trusted websites in the book reviewing category. This already, as you can read here, they give books for free or on a temporary sale at a great discount price. And these are not ordinary books, but these are well-rated books. Also, they give away over $1,000 per month in prize. To win these giveaway, you just have to sign up to their announcements by submitting your email and typing free in this box and click on submit. Because they do giveaways every month, you have many chances to win this $1,000 giveaway. And now to make money writing reviews on this site, you have to come to this URL. You will be taken to this page over here to get paid to review books completely free for your first review. They will give you books only, but after that you will be eligible to get paid anywhere between $5 to $60 per review on the site. To register yourself on this site as the reviewer, you just have to submit your email in this box and type the word free in this box and click on submit. After that, you will be able to make money reading books and reviewing them. And if you want to make more money, then click on the videos showing right now on your screen. Thank you.